Hi guys, welcome back to Storytime Read Out Loud for you. Today is day
23.
23. Where is it? Good job. There it is. Let's see what the story is for number 23. Ooh, Santa's 12 Days of Christmas. Cool, let's get started. Santa's 12 Days of Christmas. Have you ever wondered what Santa likes to do when his deliveries are done and Christmas Eve is through? He lands his sleigh on Christmas Day, greeted by cheer. He's ready for a 12-day break. It's been a busy day.
Hooray! Hooray!
On day one of the holidays, he throws a Yuletide ball with disco lights, red party hats, and candy canes for all. On day two, Santa takes the train through the sparkling snow.
Choo-choo!
He's off to the Nutcracker, his favorite Christmas show. On day three, jolly Mr. C holds a reindeer race. The elves stand by and watch with glee to see who wins first place.
Let's go!
On day four, Santa calls his friends to skate around outside. They whirl about across the lake and have fun as they glide. On day 5, Santa takes his wife to watch the town parade. They cheer the merry marching band and praise the dance brigade. On day 6, Santa's festive friends invite him to the park, where down the hill they sled and slide until the sky turned dark. On New Year's Eve, the 7th day, they all watch the delight as fireworks whiz, pop, and bang, filling the skies with light. On day 8, Santa takes some yarn and dazzling glittery gems, then settles in his chair to knit warm sweaters for his friends.
Oh, thanks, Santa.
On day 9, Santa and his pals enjoy frosty weather. They play snow games, build ice displays, and take photos together. Cheese.
Oh.
On day 10, Santa plays to try some recipes. He's read 3 cream tarts, 2 fruit soufflés, and a house of gingerbread.
Smells yummy.
On day 11, Santa Claus prepares a roaring fire, then sings some merry carols with the jolly jingle choir. Silent night. Oh. On day 12 of his festive break, he polishes his sleigh. He's ready to start making plans for next year's Christmas Day.
Wee! Looks great. Cookies, anyone?
Ho, ho, ho! Back to work I go.
The end.
That was quick.
Yeah. If you guys like this video, give it a like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out our other videos and playlists. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow for the last one. Day 24, New Year's Eve. Bye.